What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from MPC Tunes. In this video, I'm going to make a beat using only MPC Studio, right? And I might be sampling or I might not, I'm not really sure yet. But I'm going to be using all the stock plugins in MPC Studio. So let's get started. So I already fired up my MPC Studio. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go to my browser and I'm going to just find my drums. I think I'm going to go with X drums. Let's try that one. I like that, so I'm going to use that one and I'm going to put it to this drum pad here. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to go back to the previous page. All I have to do is just press shift and browse. Okay, now it's going to go up to the previous page or folder. So I'm going to go and find a snare now. Okay, kind of like that, but I don't want it to be the main snare, so I'm going to put it on this pad right now. Okay, so this pad here, I'm going to need a snare, like the dominant snare, this one. Now let's go ahead and add a hi-hat. Okay, I like that one. Okay, let's have another hi-hat there. Okay, another one, kind of like that. Okay, let's go to the next page. How about percussion? Okay, that's kind of cool. Yeah, I kind of want that slack. Kind of want that clap as well. Okay, I kind of like that rhythm. Let's find the tempo for that. Okay, let's set the tempo to maybe 128, maybe. All right, the metronome. Let's increase the tempo now. Okay, how about that? Okay, that works. So I'm gonna just record that one real quick. Damn, that's a bad recording. Let's try that. Okay, I'm gonna go to the end here. This one is a bit. Okay, let's add the clap now. I'm going to use the note repeat, but I want to turn on the latch mode. So okay. Okay, the best thing about the note repeat is now if I can actually adjust the velocity, like just moving it up and down, right? You can hear that it sounds a bit different, right, in terms of the velocity. So I like to do that. Okay, so I want to play something like that. If you want to save this file, you can actually go to mode and save this file. Okay, I'm just going to save this as YouTube. I really like this take of all of this, so I'm going to just delete this one and I'm going to be repeating or copying this one real quick. So I like that. So let's save them real quick. And I have another shaker here. Repeat. I think I just want to play this one. Yeah, like that. Okay, kind of like this. So there's no repeat, right? I'm just gonna delete it. I think it sounds nice when it comes at the fourth bar. Okay, so like that. So let's save this again. So the drum is ready, so I'm just gonna rename this one. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the second track and I'm gonna go to program select, to the shift program select. So now I can go to the plugin mode and I have the hype already. So let's try. Let's get a different sound of a choir, okay? Else. How about some pad? Okay, I want to change it to notes. And I want to change it to a minor scales as well. So I'm going to press shift and yep, this C is fine. Let's go to minor. Okay, I'm going to go to the plugin now. And I'm going to just adjust some of these parameters here. Okay, so I wanna play something like that. Let's do it. So I got that synth lit, and I'm gonna go to the next track now. How about a bass? Let's have some bass now. When you go to the next track, you gotta remember to add the program. Okay, if not, you might be overwriting the other program that we just had earlier. So let's not do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the plugin here. Let's find some bass. Okay. Okay, kind of like that. Let's do that. I kind of like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add another track, and that, okay, before that, let's rename this one here. So this one's gonna be bass. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the next track. We have, let's have some kind of, let's have another pad. Okay, and let's use a different type of sound. Let me try. Let's try this one. Okay, what we have here. Now. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's try. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bass track now. And I'm gonna go to the touch strip, and I'm gonna select the program level. I'm gonna actually reduce the bass a little bit, okay? That's better. Okay, now let's go to the next track now. Okay. Okay, now for this one, I want to change the program level. I want it to be a bit loud. Let's try. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the next track. Let's add another plugin now. Let me have interesting. I think I just want to have some kind of chords. So let's go to the shift, change it to chords now. Okay, let's try that. So that's kind of cool actually. So let's go to the track mute here, right? Okay, let's do a real quick arrangement using the track mute. Okay, so I'm gonna just play. Basically, the track will start with just these 3 sounds. So that's basically it. So I just make this beat using only the stock plugin in MPC Studio. So I think MPC Studio is a great investment, and I'm glad that I got this one. And I did tell you guys that I bought Absolute 6. I'm really having so much of fun with Absolute 6, which I will definitely make a video about it in the coming episodes, in the upcoming videos. So make sure to always stick around and subscribe, and keep asking me questions or anything that you guys have in mind. Right? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys